Cooking 101. This is part 2 of the Nigerian season. You know what I'm saying, part 2. Alright, I have a red snapper here. He's got the eyes and stuff on it. Because of you guys, I wasn't doing this for you guys, his head would be cut off. Okay, so I cut all the fins and cut the tail right here to make it pretty. I rinsed it off, had it dry, and now I'm going to make slits. You know what? Alright, this is the Mac Daddy. This is how you say it, because I don't know how to say it. I've been having this knife for 2 years. And the reason why I don't use it, because you can cut your finger off. Alright, it comes in this case like this. Like that. Look at it. The inside is velvet. It has a latch to it. It's a plastic case. Very, very good knife. It has designs on it. See? Alright, let me show you. See that? You gotta be careful with this knife. Seriously. You're gonna put slits in it. See how it's crunching? The bones there. You have to handle this knife very, very carefully. I remember Miss Smarty Pants tried out the knife. I believe she cut her nail off. Didn't even know it. It's because it wasn't her finger. Okay, let me put this knife aside. Put this aside. Get my bowl. So in this bowl, I'm going to use some oil. First off, let me wash my hands. I'm using canola oil. You can use olive oil. I am going to use maybe about a cup, maybe a cup and a half. It all depends. And I am going to use my chicken rub because it has everything in it that you need. I'm saying that's almost like a half a cup. Almost. Might be a little more. And you're just going to stir it. Just keep stirring it till it almost comes into a paste. If you feel you have too much oil, then by all means add more. Okay, next what I'm going to do to add to this, I am going to add some chicken powder. Alright, because you know my stuff is not salty. I say that's almost like a tablespoon, maybe a little more than a tablespoon. Mix it up. So you can see all the herbs and stuff in mine. See that? Okay. Now, guys, bear with me because I'm going to have to use aluminum on here and it might be a glare. So I have it lined with foil, and then I'm just going to put a little oil on here. Rub it all in. And I ran out of aluminum foil too, so I'm making do. Here, we're going to put our fish on a bed of onions, garlic, red bell pepper, scallions, and this is probably maybe like 4 bunches sliced, and some tomatoes. Okay. Now we're going to take some of my paste that I made, drizzle on top. And then you're going to mix it. Make sure you mix it up well. Some is flying out the pot or the pan. That's okay, I'll get it. If you feel you don't have enough seasoning on here, then add you some salt and pepper. Which I will add some pepper. See there? Look at that. Okay, let me get my pepper. Using black pepper. Just mix. Okay, now back over here. Spread it out. All right, now waste not, want not, right? Okay, so over here I need to dredge him. Let me just go ahead and put him on top of here. Okay, that'll be better. You want to open them up. Put that in there. You spread it all over with your hands. Put more. Open them up inside. So I turned him over and I'm repeating the same process. Just make sure you get the seasoning mix off into the slits. I hate touching that. Ugh. This feels gross. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is take these lemons and put some inside of it. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to put them in the oven And from what I've seen, they said you put it on 400. My oven works so well, I'm going to have to put it on 350 for 10 minutes. And then after I do that, I'm going to come back, turn him over, and cook him maybe another 10 to 15 minutes. Due to because my snapper is kind of thick, it might take a little longer, but you don't want to burn it, okay? Alright, be back. Okay guys, so I cooked more fish. So this is how it looks right now. So I'm going to try to turn it over without, turn it up. So you want this side to cook. I already broke his tail. Ouch, it's hot. So I had more red snapper, so I thought I'd just do it all in one. You know how we do. And it's really, really flaky. Ouch. So you just want to turn that over. And the veggies down there, all the snapper juice is on top. Ouch. Okay, I'm going to let this side cook, and I'll be back to plate it up. Okay guys, so here is my red snapper. You know, Miss Smarty Pants, when she come over, she want to take the head off, because I don't like the head. But anyway, here it is. The juice is, it's wonderful. It's almost like you could just sop it up, you know. The veggies are good, seasoned just right. Not overly seasoned, not anything. And what I season with the chicken rub, www.carlissspices.com, and this is my baked oven baked red snapper. So guys, give this a try. I appreciate it. And another thing I would like to say,